Hi guys, as you just saw, different types of flicker video can bring different types of motion. Today we are going to introduce the 4 different types of flicker videos that are often used. First of all, let's make a black flash effect like this. It is actually a compilation of the main screen and a black picture clip. Open VideoProc Vlogger. Create a new project. Import the video footage, the black image, and the music track. Drag the video to the video track. Adjust the duration. Then drag the black image to the overlay track. Adjust the size to cover the whole screen. Flex to create a beat sync effect. We drag the music to the audio track. Let's preview it. And then use the shortcut M to mark the general beat points. Now we will cut a black picture based on the markers. Note here, in order to create a flash screen effect, we don't want to make the duration of each small clip too long, and it should only last about 5 frames. Once we've finished editing, we can have this effect. Now, let's add a flickering transition effect. First, import a new video clip. Drag it onto the overlay track and overlap it with the first video frame. Resize it in the preview window so that it covers the screen. Then find the split tool on the toolbar. We should also cut the clip into several small pieces based on the beat of the music. Remember here to make each clip last for a short period of time. After editing, we cut a point at the end of the first clip. Drag the following video back to the video track. This can give us a flickering transition. The third commonly used flicker video is done through color changes. First, select the clip on the video track. Then use the shortcut Ctrl+C to copy it. Paste it on the overlay track. Then we need to adjust the color of this clip. Find the color icon in the toolbar. Click on it to enter the color in the filter editor panel. You can find the filter you want on the left side to directly adjust the color. For example, I choose a B&W filter. You can see the result directly. Click Apply to return to the main interface. We will use a similar way to cut a clip that has been colored. It is better to match a beat of the music. This way, we can achieve a very nice effect. With the same principle, let's import a new clip and edit it. This time, I don't use a filter. Instead, I will adjust the temperature and the tint on the right side of the interface to customize the desired color. And then adjust the details of some parameters. Finally, we can get a different color. Click Apply to apply it. Now we can continue to cut it until these little clips blend into the main frames. Finally, let's take a look at how the flip flicker effect is created. First, drag the video clip into the video track. Then copy it to the overlay track. Next, go to the inspector on the right and find the transform area. Click on the horizontal flip to flip the clip. When you're done, go back to a timeline and add it again to create the effect of interlacing multiple small clips in the video. In order to have a nice end for the video, don't forget to open the transition panel on the top left. Find the fade to black transition. Drag it to the end of the video. Adjust the duration of the effect. Then, select the music on the audio track. Add the duration to align with the screen. Add a fade-out effect to it. This completes 4 different types of flicker effect videos. Well, this is all of today's video, and if you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And I will see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye!